Okay, I've gone full screen on you for the next one here. So this is showing you the navigation controls. So again, if you go up to View, Show Navigation, if it's on Never, then these will be gone. So the way again to get to those is View, Show Navigation, and you can turn it on automatically, the compass only. And again, all the compass is an indicator. It's not a controller. So let's go back to the Coeur d'Alene Resort and View, Show Navigation. Now I'm just going to show always for now so you can see what we're going to do. Okay, so what does the navigation give us? So the top one is the view, and you can kind of see the little eye there. So if we want to tilt up, click up, tilt down, click down, twist to the left, twist to the right. And you can kind of see the north here, and you can double click and it'll click back to the north. So that's the view. And what's nice, if you click and hold and then drag, you can kind of navigate, or I should say almost like you twist your head around and look in different directions. And this is all by just kind of dragging the mouse around that joystick and looking in different directions. Okay, so that's view. Let's get up a little bit higher. Now we're going to actually move. So you can see this is the joystick for moving, left, right, forward, back. And again, same thing if you hold, and you can move in diagonal directions, more to the left than up, more forward than to the left, etc. So it's kind of a continuous type of roll there. Okay, so let's switch back and look at downtown Coeur d'Alene and the resort. And now we got our zoom. Now this moves very quickly, and I'll show you. So if you hold it all the way out, it zooms back quickly. Now, one thing that you notice there is as you zoom out, it transitions from a top down right there. See the transition to a kind of an angled zoom, which is pretty handy that they gave you that functionality with the zoom. So that's zoom, fairly intuitive. And then here's the street view guy. So you just click on the guy and you drag him. Where do you want him to see the street view? Well, let's go look at downtown Coeur d'Alene and Sherman Avenue, and we'll just look right there. So here's the actual Google Street View of that intersection. So let's go down and look down the street. So that's street view, and then of course to exit it, well, let's check here what it would look like in the animated view. And of course there's some distortion or whatnot, but this is the actual photograph. So we can get out of exit street view there. And one more thing to show you guys with the navigation. Again, I just double-clicked the Coeur d'Alene Resort to go back to my my yellow place mark that I told you was there. Now, my yellow, the actual pin, is hidden right now, and I'll show you how to do that later. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually navigate without using these navigation controls. And here we go. So how am I doing that? Is that keyboard shortcuts? What is that? Actually, let's turn around and look at the golf course. And yeah, again, you can see the floating green here for the Coeur d'Alene Resort golf course. But how am I doing that? That's really a complex move. I'm moving and turning, and I can go up at the same time. This is a very complex movement that you would not be able to do with the navigation controls. So changing elevation, changing direction, changing perspective, changing tilt, all at the same time. There's no way you could do that with the navigation controls I just showed you, and I will show you how I do it in my advanced training, so stay tuned for that. Okay, that's navigation controls. In the next video, I'm going to cover keyboard shortcuts. We'll see you then.